Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Bono. Today's video is for those who are doing cleaning products manufacturing business in small scale level. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the importance of trial batch and also what are the equipments necessary to carry out a trial batch. That's all. In trial batch, if we are getting good quality of product, then we can confirm three things. The first one is this formula is correct. The second one is the materials what we have used is correct quality. And third one is we have the skill set to carry out this process. This is the importance of trial batch. Now let us imagine one thing. Without trial batch, we are doing one bulk process. Its quality is not good. Just think it of what can we do with that product. In case of chemical products, reprocess is difficult. Even with reprocess, we cannot get the original quality. If we sell the same product as such, then our business will be affected. So this is not only the economical loss and also psychologically a pressure to us. Always before planning for bulk process, with that formula, with that materials what they are going to use for bulk process, all the business owners are requested to do a small trial batch, for 500 ml or even 1 liter. In trial batch, after getting the quality, we have to repeat the same thing second time and third time also. The reason is getting quality is not important. The important thing is whether we are able to get the quality continuously. That is very important. That is consistency in quality. Most of the small scale business owners are not aware of the trial batch. So today we are going to discuss what are the equipments necessary to carry out a trial batch for 1 liter. And one more thing, with this trial batch setup, it is not only useful for small scale business owners, it is also useful for everyone who have studied chemistry as one of the subjects in the school level or college level. If time permits, they can learn the manufacturing process of home care products and they can prepare themselves for their own purpose. And I assure with some practice everyone can learn the making process of all the cleaning products. Now we will discuss what are the requirements to carry out the trial batch. Of course, all the materials are available in Amazon itself, or you can purchase from your nearby supermarkets. This is a packet size electronic weighing scale. This is up to 180 grams. This is sufficient for to carry out the trial batches. And this is hand blender. Hand blender is very essential and very important to carry out the trial batches perfectly. And any brand you can purchase. And one more thing, if you are not able to purchase the hand blenders, better you can purchase at least a beater like this. But only with a single stick you cannot achieve the perfect blending. It is not correct. It is not advisable. This is a plastic measuring jar. This is a 12 ml capacity. Of course, a graduated measuring jar. So from 1 to 12 ml we can measure by using this plastic measuring jar. Of course, it is also available in 25 ml capacity, 50 ml capacity, 100 ml capacity, 200 ml capacity, everything. So in all these categories, purchase 1 or 2 measuring jars. That is more than sufficient. Next, this is a glass beaker, 100 ml capacity, this one, and this is a 250 ml capacity. Better you purchase in both categories at least 2 to 4 beakers. Only with glass beaker we can observe the physical parameters of the product. Its clarity, is there any layer separation, any settlement at bottom, any floating layer on the surface, everything. So it is not possible with plastic beakers. Plastic beakers also available. We can purchase and use plastic beakers, but for some specific applications, glass beakers are better advisable. This is a plastic dropper. In this dropper, there are graduation up to 2.5 ml. So, from 0.5 ml to up to 2.5 ml, we can approximately measure the volume. For a less quantity, I mean perfumes or preservative like these materials, we can use this dropper. And also, we need to purchase a plastic mug with graduation and also transparent. Or the better choice is 2 liter capacity measuring jar is available in Amazon in all chemical shops. With this mug we can prepare easily 1 liter trial batches. So it is ideal for that purpose. And after preparing the material we need to store it in airtight containers. So we need to purchase some airtight containers. Of course many capacities are available. Better we can purchase 500 ml, 1 liter or 2 liters, depends upon our batch size. This is plastic spoons. We need to maintain many spoons in all possible sizes and all possible volumes, because during the trial batches, we should not wash the spoons in between the trial process. And also we have to use 1 spoon for each and every material. We should not use same spoon for all the materials. The reason is, even with proper washing and proper wiping with a cloth, some layer of moisture is tend to deposit over the surface of the spoons. This moisture will have the chances of degradation of chemical materials. Finally and most importantly, pH papers. Before starting the trial process, we have to cut the required number of pH papers. During the trial batch process, we should not touch the bulk of the pH papers, because it will turn out the color. And some tea filters are necessary. In case of our dissolved materials are not clear, we can filter it. And for our safety, we need to purchase goggles and hand gloves, and we have to use it wherever it is required. That's all friend. With these materials we can prepare trial batches for at least 500 ml or even 1 liter.